Tonight we are in Arcadia heading to Santa Anita Park for Reindeer Road. It's a new light drive-through. It opened this past weekend. It is a mile long, has 350 North Pole themed light installations, synchronized music, and over 1 million lights. Now we missed the entrance coming in, so we're going around again, but it sounds like it's going to be a lot of fun. It's Reindeer Road, Santa Anita Park in Arcadia. Headed over hopefully in a minute or two, if we can find the entrance. We're the only car. There's nobody in front of us and nobody behind us. And it is pet friendly, which is a good thing because little Bentley in the back seat, if you can see him, I'll get a shot of him in a minute, just had surgery yesterday and he cannot be left by himself. So he is going to experience the Christmas lights. Usually he hangs out the window, but I don't think he's doing that tonight. But he is back there and quiet.
Merry Christmas!
All right, that was Reindeer Road here at Santa Anita Park in the parking lot right next to the mall. It was enjoyable. I like the lights and the music combined. For the ticket price, if you're going 2 people, the ticket was $79 for a weeknight. So that was $40 each, plus they charge a $19 service charge. So that was $98 for the 2 of us in Bentley, who's half asleep back there in the back seat to go through. And I understand these events are not cheap to produce, so I'm not really necessarily complaining about the cost. If you're coming with a carload of people, it may be worth it. But a lot of the displays weren't working correctly. Some were burnt out completely. The same like 4 or 5 songs played over and over as we were driving through. So I would just maybe expect a little bit more for the price point, especially since there's so much competition. Directly across the street, you can walk through the Arboretum to see their event and stop and have some dinner and hot cocoa and some drinks. So if you're deciding between the two, I'd go to the Arboretum or maybe look for something else. Again, if you're in a carload of people, it may be worth it, but I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you a look at what the event was. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. We have a whole bunch of other Christmas events coming up that we're going to cover between now and the end of the holidays here. If you're not following us on social media, you can find us at the Funnel Cake blog on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.